Good morning to all. Myself Dr. A. Pradeep, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Vivekananda College of Engineering for Women, Tiruchengodu. Today I am going to discuss about the microcontroller. So the microcontroller is a represent for 8051. So why we go for as a microcontroller? So nowadays all the components are works based on the electronic based components. So no one of the components is not worked with the electronic gadgets. So there is a no electronic gadgets on the earth which is designed without a microcontroller. So what is the example for this microcontroller is, so all the communication devices we need for as a control. So the communication devices is the one type of the example of microcontroller. Then digital entertainment, portable devices. Then here the first microcontroller is introduced in the Intel company in the year of 1981 in the name of the 8-bit microcontroller. So this microcontroller 8051, the name comes from the microcontrollers family, that is mean for us a MCS 51 family, that is microcontrollers 51 family. So why we go for as a microcontroller means, so the if you compare with the microprocessor, so the microprocessor is a not self-sufficient system, but the microcontroller is a self-sufficient system. So the microcontroller is attached with all the components in as a one single chip. So like this, the microcontroller, then memory, input and output ports, and also for as a any other external devices also you have to connected in as a one single chip. Okay. So these Intel Corporation is decide to integrate all the components in as a one single chip is represent for as a microcontroller. So that's why this microcontroller is called as a self-sufficient device. So what is microcontroller? Microcontroller is a digital IC fabricated system. It comes from the VLSI based system. VLSI is represent for as a very large scale integration technology. Microcontroller is a complete set of the microcomputer on a single chip. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of the microcontroller is mean? So the microcontroller is connected in all the components connected in a single chip. So that's why it's a very low cost wise, it's mean for us a very low, and also the overall system also will be as a very low, that is the compact in the size. Then system is more reliable and it may be interfaced externally if required. Then it provides a software security feature also. Then these microcontroller also have some disadvantages also. So if you are connected as far as all the components in a single chip, we need for us a large setup of the instructions. So that is a large instruction set is needed. Then limited calculation procedure is available because it can be molded in as a one single chip. We can't modify it further if any improvement is needed. We can't modify it. So it's a limited calculation procedure is available. Then fixed program technique to control machine. So due to the one single chip, we can fix it for us a programming for all the techniques. So here these are some basic applications for using microcontroller. So the personal information products, the cell phone, pager, watch, calculator, these are the components are work based on the microcontroller. If you go for as a laptop components based microcontroller, it's a mouse, keyboard, modem, battery charger. These also is operated from the microcontroller. Then home appliances, alarm clock, door clock, TV remote, air conditioner. Then if you go for as a toys based, video games, cars and dolls. So here some of the microcontroller manufacturers companies are there. The Microchip, Zilog, Atmel, Philips, Siemens. So these are the major manufacturer in microcontrollers. So then again is classified the microcontroller based on the applications. So small business systems, small business system, office automation, entertainment purpose, traffic control, television, clock, radios, telephone, electronic toys, Xerox, copier. So this is the basic representation that is mean for as a block of the one microcontroller. So in this microcontroller, all the components in as a one single chip. So that is mean for as a arithmetic logic unit, registers, RAM, ROM, program counter, stack pointer, clock circuit, input output ports, timer counter and interrupt circuit. So all the components, that is means all the operation is attached in a one single component, that is means single integrated ICs. So that's why it's represent for us a microcontroller. So that's this is for us a self-sufficient system. So here what is the features of the microcontroller? It has been 8-bit CPU, on-chip oscillator and clock circuit is available. 32 input and output lines are there. 64 kilobytes address space for external data memory. Then 64 kilobyte address space for external program memory. Then 2 number of 16-bit timer or counter available. Then duplex system also will be available. Boolean processor. Then 5 source interrupt structure with 2 priority levels are available. So these are the major features are in microcontroller. So this is a comparison between the microcontroller and microprocessor. So already I have informed it contains only for a CPU in a microprocessor, but the microcontroller, it can be attached all the components, that is CPU, memory, input and output, timer in a one single chip. Okay. Then architecture is a von Neumann based. Here the architecture is a Hubbard based. It is better in multitasking, but the microcontroller is relatively weak in multitasking. Microprocessor general purpose based, microcontroller application specific purpose. This is a high speed and high cost. Here the low speed and low cost. Then does not support bit addressability. Here the support bit addressability. Example for 8085, 8086, Core i3, i5, i7 and ARM processor. Here 8051, AVR, PIC and ARM processor. So this is the architecture of the microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller. So we will discuss next class in the explanation of the architecture.